Greetings, fellow Meccas. Today, we're going to go over the fundamental theorem of calculus. The fundamental theorem of calculus is as follows. If f is continuous on a to b, and f is any antiderivative of f on a to b, then the integral from a to b, f of x dx, is equal to f of b minus f of a. We're going to be using the fundamental theorem of calculus in the following problem. The problem. Evaluate in part A from the integral from 0 to 10 of 6x minus x squared dx, and in part B, the integral 0 to 2 pi of 3 sine of x dx. Now pause this video, take a few minutes, and solve this problem. Welcome back. Hopefully you're able to solve this problem. Now, let's work on it together. So in part A, we need to evaluate the integral from 0 to 10 of 6x minus x squared dx. So how are we going to do this? Well, let's first start off by taking our integral. So if we take our integral of 6x, this is going to be equal to 6x squared divided by 2. And if we take our integral of x squared, we get x cubed divided by 3. And this is going to be from 0 to 10. So we can simplify this to be 3x squared minus x cubed divided by 3 from 0 to 10. So now we need to set up so now we got 3 times 10 squared minus 10 cubed divided by 3 minus 3 times 0 squared minus 0 cubed divided by 3. Let's see, we get, this is going to be equal to 300 minus, 10 squared is 100 times 3 is 300 minus 10 cubed. So what's so 100 times 10, that's 1,000. So we get minus 1,000 divided by 3 minus 0. So this is going to be equal to, that's not going to work. Nope. I gotta rewrite this problem. Let's change it. Let's do, instead of 6x, let's just change it to 9. No, 8. Let's do 8x. And then we get 8. And 8. So this is 8. Oh my gosh. 8x. So this is 4. There we go. We had to change it because it would have been incorrect. So now we get 400 minus 333 essentially. So this is going to be equal to, we just have the same common denominator. So we have 3, and then our numerator is going to be 1,200 minus 1,000, so 200 divided by 3. Is going to be the solution for part A. So the integral from 0 to 10 of 8x minus x squared dx is going to be equal to 200 divided by 3. Now in part B, we need to evaluate the integral from 0 to 2 pi of 3 sine of x dx. So we have a constant which we can move out in front. So this is going to be equal to 3 integral 0 to 2 pi of sine of x dx. Now we take the integral of sine of x, which is going to be negative cosine of x. And we take this from 0 to 2 pi. So this is going to be equal to 3 times the negative cosine of 2 pi minus a negative cosine of 0. This plus positive. And this is going to be equal to 3 times, then cosine of 2 pi is 1. So we get negative 1 plus cosine of 1, or cosine of 0, which is 1. And then we plug, now we need to distribute 3 here. So we get negative 3 plus 3, which is going to be equal to negative 3 plus 3 is 0. So in part B, the integral from 0 to 2 pi of 3 sine of x dx is equal to 0. I hope this video helped. If it did, please consider subscribing and like.